Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see the laws of indices. Then using these laws, how we solved the problems in the last classes, we shall recall that. For some 2 power 4 into 3 power 4. Here the bases are different and the powers are same, isn't it? So we have to use which formula? A power m into b power m equal to ab the whole power m, isn't it? Okay. Now 2 power 4 into 3 power 4 is equal to 2 into 3 the whole power 4. So the answer is 6 power 4. Answer is 6 power 4. Then the second problem. Minus 60 the whole power 6a the whole power 4. Minus 6a the whole power 4. Here you have to give the power to each term inside. Okay. Solution. Minus 6a the whole power 4. So, minus 6 the whole power 4 into a power 4. So, the answer is minus 6 the whole power 4 a power 4. Okay. Then we shall see the next one. M by 11 the whole power 5. Here also we are using which law? A by b the whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m. Okay. Then m by 11 the whole power 5 is equal to m power 5 by 11 power 5. Okay. Then fourth problem. 8 by minus 10 the whole power 3. Here also the same formula we are using. A by b the whole power m equal to a power m by b power m. Okay. So 8 by minus 10 the whole cube is equal to 8 cube by minus 10 the whole cube. Okay. Exercise 18.2 Understanding Maths. In this, we'll see the fourth problem. First one. 6 square the whole power 0 plus minus 4 by 7 the whole power 0. We know that a power 0 is equal to 1. That is, any number power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Here, 6 square means 36 square. So, 6 square the whole square power 0 now, we can write as 1. Okay. Solution 1 plus again 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. The answer is 2. Okay. Then second sum 6 cube into 4 cube by 24 the whole square. Okay. Here we can write 24 the whole square as 6 cube into 4 cube by 6 fours are 24. Then you can write into 4 the whole square. Now we can separate this square to each term. So 6 cube into 4 cube by 6 square into 4 square. Now we know the quotient formula, isn't it? Using that quotient formula, we can write this as 6 power 3 minus 2 into 4 power 3 minus 2. So the answer is 6 power 1 into 4 power 1 is equal to 24. So we have found the value. Then next sum, minus 8 the whole square is equal to, here we know the power rule, isn't it? A power m, the whole power n equal to a power mn, isn't it? Okay. So, minus 8, the whole power 2 into 2 is equal to minus 8, the whole power 4. Here, minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8. So, here the power is even. So, the sign is positive. So, plus 8 8s are 64. Then 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 64, 64 into 64, you have to multiply and say. 4 4s are 16, remainder 1. 6 4s are 24, 25. 24 4, remainder 2. 6 6 are 36 plus 2, 38. Now add 6, 9, 0, 1, 4. Okay. So plus 4096. So the answer is 4096. Okay. Then we shall see the fourth problem. It is 9 square into 8 square. Then you can write 72 as 9 square into 8 square. 72 as 9 8s are 72, isn't it? 8 is equal to 1 1. Here you are using the quotient rule. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. So 9 power 2 minus 1 into 8 power 2 minus 1 is equal to 9 into 8. The answer is 72. Okay. Now solution. Fifth problem. Minus 4 the whole power 0, the whole power 8. Minus 1 the whole power 21. Okay. Now minus 4 the whole power 0, the whole power 8, isn't it? Minus of minus 1 the whole power 21. Okay, now see here. Minus 4 the whole power 0 is 1. 1 power 8 is 1. Okay. Then minus 1 the whole power 21. The power is odd number. So the answer is minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. It will come in odd numbers. So the answer is minus 1. So 1 minus into minus plus 1 is equal to 2. So the answer is 2. Now we shall see the unit digit of numbers in exponential form. Okay. In exponential form, we will find the unit digit of the number. Okay. First one, 10 cube. So you can write this as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So the units place is 0. Okay. The units place is 0. Then your 10 power 4 also the units place is 0. Then 10 power 5. Here also the unit place is 0. Okay. Now we shall see 5 square. So 5 into 5, the units place is 5. Okay. Then 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Here also the units place is 5. Okay. C for 6 square. 6 into 6, 36. So the units place is 6. Okay. Then see the 6 cube is a odd power, isn't it? Here it is even power, here it is odd power. 6 into 6 into 6, 36 6 are 216. Here also the units place is 6. Okay. Now we shall see the 4 square. 4 into 4, 16. The units place is 6. 4 into 4 into 4, 4 cube. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4, 6 4s are 24. Yes. Here the units place changed. For even 6, 4 square. For even power, the units place is 6. For odd power, the units place is 4. Okay. See for 4 power 4. 4 4s are 16. So 16 into 16. Okay, 6 6 are 36. So otherwise 64 into 4 like this. So again, right? 4 4s are 16. The units place is 6. See, the power is odd here. 4 power 5, isn't it? So 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Then 256 into 4. 6 4s are 24, isn't it? So here also the units place is 4. Okay. Then 9 square. C for 9. 9 square. The power is even. So 9 into 9, 81. The units place is 1. Then 9 cube. The power is odd. So 81 into 9. 9 ones are 9. So the units place is 9. For odd power, the units place is 9. For even power, the units place is 1. So, see 9 power 4, 729 into 9. 9 nines are 81. Again, it is even power. 2, 4, we have the units place as 1. Power 5. So, 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 into 9. So, 4 is 6561 into 9. 9 ones are 9. So, the units place is 9. So, the odd numbers have the units places, odd powers have the units places 9. Then even powers has the units places 1. Okay. Example 3.12. Okay. Find the unit digit of the large numbers. Okay. 4 power 7. Here see here unit digit of base 4. You have to see the unit digit of base 4. The power is 7. So odd power. You have to see 4 into 4. Even power means 4 4s are 16. Then odd power means 4 into 4 into 4. Odd power means 64. This is 4 square. This is 4 cube. Isn't it? Okay. Now see here. We have odd power. So odd powers are the units place is 4. So therefore the unit place of 4 power 7 is 4. Have you understood? Okay. Then you shall see the next one. 64 power 10. Here the units place of base is 64. Sorry. That is 4. Base is 64. We can take as 4. So the power is 10. Even power. So 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64 4s are 256. Isn't it? Okay. 64 4s are 256. So the even powers are all have the units place as 6. So the unit place of 64 power 10 is 6. Find the unit digit of expanded form. 25, the power 23. Okay. Here, see here, 5 into 5 is equal to 25. The power is even, isn't it? So 5 cube means 5 into 5. Here also 25 5s are 125. Here also both the units place are same. So units digit of base oda unit digit is 5, isn't it? Then power is 23, is an odd number. If it is the units place is 5, for odd number and even number, the expanded form of units place is 5 only, isn't it? So 5, the unit place of 25 power 23 is 5. Okay. Then see the second one, 11 power 10. Here the power is 10. that is even. See here, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Then 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Here the power is even, here the power is odd. Okay. So unit place, unit digit of base is 1. Okay. Then power is 10. This is even. Yeah. Then the answer is the unit place of 11 power 10 is 1. Okay. Then we shall see the next sum. 46 power 15. Here the power is in odd number. So 6 into 6 is equal to, see the units place. It is even, isn't it? So 36. 6 cube means it is also, the units place is 6. 2, 1, 6. You have seen the, so the unit digit of base is 6. Okay. Then power is 15. 15 is odd power, isn't it? So the answer is the unit place of 46 power 15 is 6. Yeah. See the next sum. Here 29. 9 is the units place. So see here, 9 square is equal to 9 into 9 is 81. 9 cube. 9 into 9 into 9 is equal to 81 9s are 729. Okay. Have you understood? If the power is even, the units place is 1. If the power is odd, the units place is 9 here. So unit digit of base is 9. Unit digit of base is 9. Then power is 21. That is odd number. Odd power. Isn't it? So the unit place of 29 power 21 is 9. So if it is odd, the units place is 9. Okay. Then you shall see the sixth problem. Here also 9. Same. 9 square means it is ending with units place 1. 9 cube means the units place is 9. Isn't it? So unit digit of base is 9. Unit digit of base is 9. Okay. Then power is 12. It is even power. Yes, it is even power. So the unit place of 19 power 12 is 1. Okay, have you understood? Fourth problem, find the unit digit. Here you have to find the unit digit. Okay. Solution. The question is 114 power 20 plus 115 power 21 plus 116 power 22. Okay. See the powers and the units place. Okay. Here the units place is 4. Isn't it? 4 power 20. Units place is 4 and the power is 20. This is even. Okay. Plus, here see here the units place is 5 and the power 21. This is odd, isn't it? So plus, see here, the units place is 6. Then power is 22. This is even. Okay. See here, first one is 4. The power is even. So 4 4s are 16. Isn't it? The units place is 6. Then plus 5 power 21. The units place is 5 and the power is odd. Anyhow 5 into 5, 25 only. So the units place is 5. Plus 6 power, the units place is 6. 6 power 22. This is even. 6 6 are? Yes, 36. So the units place is 6. Now add these all numbers. Then we will get 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. Okay. So the units place answer. The unit place is 7. Have you understood? Okay. Then let's see the next one. 10,000 power 10,000. Isn't it? Anyhow, the base is 0 and the power is even. Even or odd, the units place is 0. Plus here also 1. The power also even or odd. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1, 1, 1 is 1. So here also the units place is same 1. Now add these two. 1. So answer. The unit digit is 1. Have you understood? Thank you. Have a nice day.